Hey y'all, this is Properties of Magma. Magma is rock that is hot to the point of being entirely molten, with temperatures between 800 and 1300 degrees Celsius, depending on its composition and pressure. Most magma is found in the mantle, where it's the hottest towards the core. As magma moves up through the mantle to the surface, it cools. Once it comes out, it's lava. Surface magma is called lava. Core magma is still magma. We study rocks and minerals in geology. They are all formed from magma at different stages and levels. Composition of original magma is critical to crystallization because it determines how far the reaction process can continue before all the silica is used up. What is magma made of? It's made of 8 elements in order of importance. They're mostly, as you can see in the diagram, oxygen and silicon, and then the other 6 make up the rest of it. Magmas from the mantle have higher levels of certain elements such as iron, magnesium, and calcium. There's 3 types of magma: basaltic, andesitic, and rhyolitic, and each has a different mineral composition. It's not purely liquid either. It has a mixture of 3 components: the liquid phase, the solid phase, and the gas phase. Each type of magma has a different temperature and viscosity. The lower temperature of the magma, the higher the viscosity. There's 3 ways to generate it: decompression melting, which is when a rock is held at the same temperature but with lowered pressure. It happens because the rock is moving toward the surface. Transfer of heat, which is when cool magmas intrude into the crust. They're hot. As they cool, they create enough heat to form new magmas. And flux melting, which is partial melting when water is added to the rock that is near its melting point. Magmatic differentiation, there's 3 types of that. As you can see in the demonstration of the picture I have, it's assimilation, which is partial melting and incorporation of surrounding rock as it moves toward the surface. Mixing, the coming together of 2 magmas that come into contact with each other. And fractional crystallization, when there's crystals are removed from the original magma so that they're prevented from further reaction with the residual melt. And that is everything that I have.